Good night, teacher. Comparison of my family. Hi, everybody. Now I am going to talk about my family. This is my sister. She is Dalia. As you can see in this picture, she is shorter than me. My mother is high than my father. My sister Valeria is writing than my father. My sister Dalia is spoily like my father. My mother is more loving than my father. My mother has dark green, that has green eyes on my father. My sister Dalia likes writing chocolate, and my sister Valeria dark chocolate. My sister is Dalia. Is tall. My sister Valeria is small. My father is small. My mother is tall.